Students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. On last term, I have started exercise 20B. Now let's see some more questions in exercise 8. In exercise 20B, question number 8. The question is, if A is equal to B is equal to 45, show that sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We have to show it. So let LHS is sin A minus B. So sin A minus B, it means value of A is 45 minus B is also 45. So 45 degree minus 45 degree, it comes 0. And sin 0's value is 0. Okay, students? So sin 0's value is 0. Now we solve the other part. It means RHS sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin B means 45. Now we put the values of angles which are given here. Sin A is given 45 degree. Okay. A is given 45 degree. B is also given 45 degree. So now we put the values of A and B. 45 degree, sin 45 degree value is 1 by the RHS is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So in RHS we put A, B, and A is equal to B is equal to 45. So sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 comes 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 comes 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cancels 1 by 2. So it will be 0. It means from both results we can conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. It means they are both are equal. It means sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Clear? Now let's see the next question of it. Question number 10, which is also just like this question. Question number 10. In question number 10, angle A, if A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree, then show that sin A plus B that we have to prove that. So that means prove. Then we have to prove that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So first we solve LHS. In LHS, sin A plus B, A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree, sin 90 and sin 90 value is 1. Now RHS sin 60 cos 30 because angle B is given 30 degree and angle A is given 60 degree. So sin 60 plus sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 and cos 60 value is 1 by 2 sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay friends, now you have to solve it. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 into root 3 comes 3 because root 3 into root 3 root will be cancelled. So it comes 3 by 4 plus and 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 comes 1 by 4. So 3 by 4 upon 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 comes 3 plus 1 by 4. So it comes 1. Now let's see. In LHS the answer is 1. In RHS it is also 1. So it means it is proved that the given condition is equal to each other. LHS is equal to RHS, both of 1. Hence proved. Now let's see the next question, 11th number, which is also just like it. 11th number. In 11th number, the question is given. See in your book, exercise 23. Question number 11 is cos 3a plus 2 cos 4a cos 3a plus 2 cos 4a upon sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a 2 sin 4a. Okay, when a is equal to 15 degree. So now we solve it. 11th number is cos 3a 2 cos 4a, because we have to find the value, so we put the angle A in the given angles, cos in the given trigonometric ratio 4a and A is 15 degree, we know it, and upon sin 3a means sin 3 into 15 plus 2 sin 4a 4 into 15, so it comes cos 45 2 cos 60 degree upon sin 45 plus 2 sin 60. Now we put the values of these trigonometrical ratios. Cos 45. What will be the value of cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 upon sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and 2 sin 60 is root 3 by 60 is root 3 by 2. So it comes 2 cancel 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1 upon 1 by root 2 plus root 3. So it comes 1 plus 2 upon 2 upon 1 plus root 6 by root 2. So it comes 3 by 2 into root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. Okay friends, so the value is, answer is 3 root 2 upon 2 in bracket 1 plus root 6. Okay, so the let's see, there is some correction is there. Here we have divide. Now 2 under 2 and it comes 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 and plus 1 upon 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Okay, now we have to solve this one. Okay, now I am going to rub it. Now see the next step. 1 by root 2, when we take LCM it comes 1 by root 2, 1 plus root 2 upon root 2 upon 1 plus root 6 on taking LCM upon root 2. So root 2 cancel root 2, so it comes 1 plus root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. So well students, this is your final answer of 11th number. Now same date we have to do the question number 15. In question number 15, read the question number 15. In question number 15, it is given that x is lying between 0 to 90 degree. Okay, so x is lie between 0 to 90. So we have to find, the question is, if x is lie between 0 to 90 degree, state the numerical value of x for which sin x and sin x is equal to cos x. Now let's see. Here we have to use the complementary trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. T ratios for complementary angles. So sin 90 minus theta will be cos theta, or you can say cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Using this relation, we can prove it. We can find the numerical value of x. Now, how to solve it? Let's see. Sin x cos x. So cos x, we can write cos x because cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So we can write cos as 90 minus x. Sorry, cos x as sin 90 minus x. Okay, because sin 90 minus x, cos x. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. So this is called complementary relation. Now, on comparing both the sides, angle x on comparing both sides, what do we get? We get x is equal to 90 minus x. So it comes x plus x is equal to 90. It comes 2x is equal to 90. It comes 90 upon 2 is 45 degree. So answer is x is equal to 45 degree. So this is the answer. X is equal to 45 degree. Now students, in next term we will start a new chapter, exercise 20C.